So for the last 2 years, I've been having problems with my kidneys and a little bit of a problem with my liver. I think I had pretty much burnt my body out. My adrenals were clearly fatigued. I have been seeing specialists and doctors and acupuncturists and herbalists and everything else to do the work on the inside, but I just couldn't get my hair health back after that. When I got unwell, my hair was something that was definitely sacrificed by my body. It was very thin and brittle and falling out in my hairbrush, in the shower, everywhere. I've used heaps of products to try and assist my hair to become healthy again and taken tablets and everything. Has not done a thing. And then I thought I'd try this product. I didn't even bother taking a before photo like they suggest because I didn't believe it would work. And a couple of weeks ago, I thought I noticed a little bit of change, like maybe some thicker growth. And I thought, no, I'm not getting my hopes up. And today I've revisited and had a look, and it's definitely doing something. So I'm super grateful to finally have found something. This is maybe just over a month and a half of use. So I cannot wait to see what another month and a half, 2 months brings from using this product. Very grateful. Definitely doing the work. My hair is still fine, but it's growing back healthier and more of it.